Wait, guys. Do you think we're crashing? Let's go back. That was kind of not good. Okay, guys, we're gonna go. And this time, let's crash into the walls. Oh! We just really broke the wall. Bro, what did we just do? Okay, let's go. Guys, we're gonna crash. Oh! And that's what happens when you always do that. Oh, guys, we're just going this way. Let's go this way. We just crashed. Oh, we just flipped it back. What have I done now? What? Come on. Like, what do I have to do there? Oh. Look at us. Look. My brother. Oh! Crash it! We just crashed it, guys. And we fall down. Wait. Oh, we're not driving. It's not working. Hey, oh, guys, but it's not working. Guys, it doesn't work. Let's go here again. This time I'll do it. Okay, guys, we're going on the arrows. And let's go. And do not hit the cones, too. Oh! That caused a lot of damage right now. That just caused a lot of damage. Guys, let's go back where we were. No, but... Okay, this time we'll do the walls. Let's do the walls this time. That cost like a lot of damage. Okay, guys. Okay, we're going. And let's go. Yeah, we're on the right speed right now. Oh, look what I just did. Okay, now let's go on the bumpers. Like, you know those bumpers? You see those over there? Let's go down. Let's go there. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. We're going on the bumpers. No, actually, we're going this way right now. Like, the first time, that caused, like, serious damage. Like, look at our car. Look at that engine going up there. You see that? Why is it like that? Wait a minute. Guys, just try. Give me a second. Let's go. Not that awesome. Not that awesome, bruh. This is not this awesome. Let's go back. Okay, guys, so we're going back right now. So this time we're gonna jump and crash. It's so awesome, guys. Like, we can play it here this whole time. Is this true? Wait, I don't know. Where are we going right now? I was so confused. I didn't know where I was going right now. I was so empty. I feel like I was so empty there. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let's race.
Go.
Let's go. Let's go on the ramp. Wait, let's do that again. That didn't go that
it's
much.
It's working. Which way? So the headstock just not working. Which way? So the headstock just not working.
This
How about
this
Sonic?
is-
How about Sonic the Hedgehog?
Oh, we go there.
Okay, here we go. Sonic the Hedgehog.
Let's go.
No! Wait, done. It's the hedgehog.
Okay, guys. Wait, no. Let's pause
My turn,
this
my
and
turn now.
restart.
My turn, look. I know how to play again. Nice.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna play.
Hmm.
And this time we're gonna do this again. It's going to be horrible. And didn't make like that damage before that we did. Let's do that. Let's do that again. Okay, guys.
Let's do the it's not working there. What's the hedgehog?
Oh, bruh. What did we just do? Come on. Wait, let's try going back. That doesn't work either. We have to pause and restart like again. Like again I said. If you do that, this is what happens. No, wait, don't do it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, go. But do not hit the cones at all. Just to tell you that.